Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love these 1/4-inch screwdriver bit holders. So you get these carbiners and you get a bunch of these. The first one is they're super easy to use. So you're going to put your 1/4-inch drive bits in here. You're going to push down on this collar. So if you've got this on the carbiner, let me show you. So to open the carbiner, you're just going to unscrew this and then the carbiner will open. Then you can put this on your belt loop or on your tool bag. So if it's on there, you're going to want to naturally push down. Push down, you put it in, it's spring back, and it's nice and locked. The second one, these are super small and lightweight. The third reason is how strong they are. So when that bit is in there, the carbiner, all of this is super strong that I can put this on a tool bag and it's going to put up with daily use. All right, let's put even a small one in there. See? Even the small ones fit, and I love how they're color coded. So I can have color, quick, easy access for different things. You know, if it was a really simple one, I could just use this to turn it. Take it off the carabiner. But again, look how many the carabiner will hold. Just screw that up, then the carabiner's locked in. These aren't going anywhere. This is a really nice kit. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.